into your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow, or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
Civilization is organized around the fact that we are social beings. But did you know that studies have been performed that indicate many people who are considered to be highly intelligent prefer to spend a lot of their time alone? The reason behind this theory is based on how our ancestors solved problems. For as long as we can remember, humans have worked together to solve all manner of problems, from social issues to complex mathematical and engineering feats. The two heads are better than one concept worked well, since more brain power meant the generation of more ideas, and working together made things easier. Today, however, through the rapid evolution and the influx of technology, these concepts can be somewhat outdated. Humankind now finds itself in the age of the solo problem solver, the lone achiever, blue sky thinkers who look outside the box and have the ability to transform the world through bold ideas and innate intelligence. Let's talk about the effect of being alone in regards to the law of attraction. Many have come to believe the law of attraction plays a great role in what you experience in life. If you set your minds to something, work towards it, and fully believe you can accomplish it, more often than not, you will find a way to achieve it. Positive thinking, coupled with positive action, can be the key to realizing or attracting almost anything you desire in life. But relay those goals to a group of friends or colleagues, and it only takes one detractor to say you can't do that to throw a wrench in the successful execution of your plans. The poison of negativity feeds negativity and creates a stifling, crippling environment that won't foster the inspiration and drive you need to succeed. For many, being alone and free from the negative energy others have to offer is a much easier space to create a life of positivity, achievement, and happiness. For many, being alone more often brings with it more peace, and with more peace comes more creative energy. With more creative energy comes greater results. Let's talk about the effect of being alone in regards to having an ability to solve problems. Evolution has allowed individual people the innate ability to solve an innumerable number of problems on their own. Historically, the evolution of our species shows us that working within a group was beneficial for problem solving. And while many aspects of our development once owed themselves to this approach, the ascendance of man in the current era has leapt forward so vastly, taking unprecedented strides and changing the way we look for solutions to problems. The way we think now encourages us to find ways to solve many of our problems on our own. Innovation and creative approaches often originate from people working in isolation. We now look to the individual for solutions. Our education has improved. Technology continues to advance at an astronomical pace. We have access to
If you're angry about something, you don't act on your anger. You wait 24 hours, 48 hours before sending that email, before yelling at someone. If you're highly ambitious and you show too much of it, sometimes it's good to show ambition, but you need to show a certain amount, not too much to frighten people. Well, that's what these books are about. They're being self-aware that in a certain situation, you enter an office, 30 people, and you suddenly show that you want to be like the number one person. You're going to find your path really difficult in life. But if you show that you don't have any ambition, no one will respect you. So you have to hit that proper medium.
Got it.
And you learn how to do that. You learn by your mistakes. You learn by the people you've pissed off, that you've alienated. And you learn self-control.